In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Temu account. Deleting an online account might seem daunting at first, but with a clear set of instructions, it can be quite straightforward. Whether you're moving to a different platform or just aiming to reduce the number of online accounts you manage, I'm here to guide you through every step. First, you'll want to navigate to Temu's website. Once there, ensure you're logged into your account. It's always a good idea to double check that you're using the correct credentials to avoid any mishaps later on. Now that you're logged in, look towards the top of the home page and find the section labeled Orders and Account. Clicking on this will direct you to another page where you can manage various aspects of your account. On this new page, you'll notice a subsection called Account Security. This is where you'll be able to manage your account settings comprehensively. Head on over and click on Account Security. Now this is where the crucial steps begin, so follow closely. Once the account security page is open, you will see an option that allows you to delete your Temu account. Click on this to proceed with the deletion process. Next, you will come across a step where you need to select an option indicating your intention to permanently delete your account. Make sure you choose the correct option here, as this action cannot be undone easily. Once you've selected I want to permanently delete my Temu account, it's time to continue the process. A continue button will appear, asking for confirmation for the account deletion. Clicking this will guide you to the next stage. Here, Temu will request a reason for your account deletion. Whether it's for personal reasons, a bad experience, or any other feedback, choose the reason that best aligns with your decision. It's an optional field, but providing feedback might be useful for the company to improve their services. After selecting your reason, it's important to hit that continue button once more. This isn't the final step, as you still need to follow through with a verification process. The specifics of this may vary, but usually it involves confirming your identity, often via an email or phone verification. This step ensures that it's truly you who is requesting the account deletion. Once you've completed all these steps and navigated through any verification, you are now ready to delete your account. If all has gone well, your Temu account will be successfully deleted. It's advisable to save any important data or information from your account before deletion, as this process is irreversible. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow.